On the previous video, I have explained to you what are primary and secondary sources and how important it is that you make use of both in your coursework. On this video, however, I want us to look at some smart and effective ways of how you can use both primary and secondary sources and show this clearly in your sketchbooks. Hello everyone, I am Stella, your art and creativity expert. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This series of videos is dedicated to provide support for the GCSE art and design students. Stay tuned, and if you're new here, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell button to get notified every time I upload a new video. On today's topic, I will discuss about how to use primary and secondary sources. Let's say you want to paint the reflection of light on the surface of the water. You might do direct observational studies from a pond in a park or the sea if you have access to such locations, or you might also take your own photos of running water or even get a waterproof camera and take photos in a swimming pool or in the bath. All these are primary sources. On the other hand, you might also search online for professional photographs taken by others or find work by artists who have painted the reflection on the water and copy or recreate them. In this case, you have used secondary sources. Of course, in your sketchbook, you always need to annotate and present the original source whenever you're copying something. Another example of using both primary and secondary sources is this. You might want to create a background for your painting using decorative patterns from a designer's work, which is secondary source. And you might also want to paint your self-portrait either from your own photos or looking at your reflection in the mirror. That's also making use of primary sources in the same artwork. The benefits of using primary sources is that you're working directly from 3D objects and you can observe them from all angles. Printed images usually flatten out the objects and you lose the details, the volumes, as well as the lighting effect. From observation, you're able to see the details more clearly and create a study that is closer to reality. Also, if you're taking your own photos, you can decide what angle to take the photo from and how close up or far away you are from the subject. If you rely too much on secondary sources, you might get limited since you're not able to capture an object from different angles or make creative decisions about the composition. That being said, if something is not accessible to you, then secondary source is the option to go with. My suggestion is to be aware when it is good to use one or the other, and definitely try to combine both primary and secondary sources together in your studies. I hope you found this video helpful. Let me know and hit the like button. Tell me about your questions and concerns in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to grab the guide Quick Tips for GCSE Art Students in the link below, and check out my online course GCSE Art and Design Made Simple, the Complete Beginner's Guide. Thank you so much for watching, and in the meantime, don't forget, let art be a joy.